Hi, dear friends. Hope you are doing well. I'm coming today to talk to you about the Nest of Light Oracle and as a tool to keep your vibrations high. This Oracle deck have been created, I think, 2 years ago, and it has been fully funded on Kickstarter. And it's very much loved among you. Thank you for supporting it. If it's your first time to discover it, please check it on the link below. For today, I'm coming to share with you a practice I'm having every day with this deck to keep myself on high vibe. Why do we need to stay in high vibration? It is not only to envision a better future for us and for the humanity, but also to act from a place of peace instead of a place of war or destruction. The idea also is to be aware of all our different bodies. We are not only the physical body, we are a mental, emotional, spiritual body, and in some traditions there are more. And bringing this to our awareness every day makes us want to keep a hygiene, a good hygiene or good, safe space energetically for us. In my philosophy, I believe that before we get sick or we get hurt physically, we are touched first in our energy body, and then things travel to get to the physical realm. So I suggest, like the keys show here in the back of the cards, I suggest that you do everyday practice, whether it's a prayer, whether it's a visualization, whether it's remembering one of the teachings in these cards, and also in the Psychic Self-Defense Kit, where we share 40 techniques and more, to do it daily, to protect yourself, to stay in a good and harmonious inner space. So the practice I do is really simple. Like every day I wake up, and before going out for some work or something like that, I choose a card. Sometimes it chooses me. I choose a card and I just put it here and call in the energy that is giving it to me. For example, incense and spirits. So I observe. It doesn't take a long time, just 1 minute. I feel like even I'm smelling that incense. And I don't use it that much. I prefer using the herbs. But that gesture of putting something with an intention, the intention today of to be harmonious and to stay safe within and without, and to act from place of love, is I'm already feeling it in my space, and I hope you are doing too. So let's see on the guidebook what we can explore a little bit further if you have extra minutes to do that on your daily life. It's really something important to remember and to reboot. I love the word reboot. It's to remember the important work we have to do and we can do. Incense and spirits. Incense can come from the resin of different plants or trees, such as myrrh, benzoin, olibanum, basil, and so on. It has been used in different traditions since the beginning of time to purify and cleanse a place or object or during rituals. Natural incense comes from certain types of wood. It is this magic that operates the alchemical collaboration between the energy of trees and plants. The spirits that inhabit them and the spirit of sacred fire are extremely powerful. State your intention to manifest the change that is most beneficial to you and others. Express intention with strength and confidence. Open your windows and burn incense in your space while repeating an affirmation. So today my intention is really harmony. I am harmonious within, without. I am peaceful within and without. and I bring peace by my presence in here. So, hope you enjoyed this short video to remind you just simple exercises that you can do every day to stay in harmony. Wishing you a very good day. Bye bye.